and you will have everything you want.
Men to kill.
And I will leave.
You turn that thing off. Can you turn that damn thing off?
Okay, Francis, okay.
What was that?
Officer Francis, Officer Francis.
That's better. Look, you guys, you want to get your butts in high gear. The warden and his date are trying to make the midnight show, and he gets very upset if he misses the cartoon.
Cartoon, huh? How's it going down there, Mr. Luthor?
Ready in a minute, Otis.
He can fix it.
Mama, I'm about to become a prisoner, too. Of your charms, Warden.
Well, evening, warden. Evening, ma'am.
Right this way, lady.
I think you got nothing to worry about, warden.
Mr. Tessmacher.
Open the gates.
Open the door.
Poor Mr. Luthor. Mr. Luthor!
You're great. You're beautiful. I love you.
Is this a love scene or a getaway? Right.
It's a break. It's a break. It's a break!
We've got you. Never give up trying, do you? Hey, where's Luther? Hey, where's Luther? I'm very distracted myself. I
Hey, look.
North, Miss Tessmacher. North, 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 north.
Yes, Lex. North.
Ah. What do we have here?
Ice, snow, your idea of a good time.
You fool. That's his home. That's his home. Miss Tessmacher, whatever answers we want from that piebald buzzard, we're gonna find right down there. Now, let's go. Come on.
But there's water.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
I'm okay.
Hey, help, help.
Come on.
Oh, you must be wrong, Lex. This couldn't be his home way up here.
This way.
It's this way. Wait, Lex, it's this way. It's this way, Lex. Come on. Come on.
Get off.
I think this place is a bit boring. It's all white. Why doesn't the guy put up some posters? Maybe some bullfight things.
It's too good to be true. All right. All right. Miss Tessmacher? Miss Tessmacher!
I found it! I think.
She found it.
I mean, when a girl reaches a certain point in life, she starts to think about these things, you know? So we're not married. We're not married. Now, I can take that. I can take that. I used to ask myself, I don't want to push you into anything.
I'll push you into something, Miss Tessmacher. Shut up. It's unbelievable.
But it's true. Kryptonian alpha waves, 3 sets of them.
I didn't know Superman had relatives.
He doesn't. It's the villains, the incorrigibles. These 3 little sweethearts are on the way here. Do you realize what they're going to do? They're going to give me the world!
But Lex, you don't even like the world.
The world, Miss Tessmacher, is real estate. Lots and lots of real estate.
Land. It's always land.
Which they'll develop for me. As soon as we take over, we'll get rid of Superman. I'll put them to work. Super construction crew. Destruction crew. They'll level forests, move mountains, create new coastlines.
Oh, here we go again.
Thanks to the help of Superman, he set them free. Lex, baby, you're a hell of a fella. Even when you lose, you win. South, Miss Tessmacher. South to victory.
Lex, south.
Miss Tessmacher, a mouthful of mink. All right.
South, Miss Tessmacher. South.
I have to tell you something. I've never done this before.
Don't worry, you're gonna be fine. Just, don't rush it.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
Hmm?
You should never overcook a souffle.
Right.
Okay, Jody.
Come on, Missy. We gotta get some help.
No one may leave without my permission. I said no one leaves.
Now, come on now. We ain't going nowhere.
never become a man.
Very well. You may try.
Yeah, no, get him. Yes, take it. Good. Who are you?
We interrupt this program to bring you a direct report from East Houston, Idaho.
Don't you know it's first and down? Alvin!
What?
Alvin, they took the game off, Alvin!
What do you want? That it can do any good.
Al, what's the number of the television, the stupid station?
You want that for?
Took the game off!
What?
I am so tired of all this violence on television. Ah! You should not watch that.
Shut up, Dad.
General Smithson has informed us that nuclear weapon strikes have been ruled out because of the danger to the civilian population.
Get the hell out!
Don't worry. Everything's under control. Nobody's gonna get in here.
Son of Jor-El, prepare to die!
Door was always open for me. Now, this.
He is one. We are three. It is the strength of three that will defeat him together.
Can we talk about it?
Move along.
Come on, move it. Hey, listen. So what do you say? Who'd be the wiser? Let's say that you were killed in the battle. You'll lie low for a few months and hang out at my joint. And I'll bring you along as a boxer, right? The Smallville's strong boy. The Metropolis masher, right? Don't you love that?
It's all yours, boys.
Right, Superman.
We could be partners, 60-40. All I'd ask was 10%. How you doing? 8%. Let's negotiate. 5%.
Come on.
No? 3, 2, 1.
In.
Blast off.
Okay, move him up. Let's get it. Hey!
Keep moving. That track ahead.
Hi, Mr. Kent.
Hey, Jimmy. Hi, how are you?
Hey, did you see my brand new camera?
Oh, boy, that's swell.
Oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Oh, thanks. Well, I'd take care of that if I were you, Jimmy. That's really beautiful. You take care of that.
Don't you worry, Mr. Kent. No one's gonna get their hands on this thing.
You should be able to take some really swell pictures with that.
It's a brand new camera.
Oh! Sorry.
Hey.
Huh?
Try sleeping at night, Buster.
Yeah, sorry. I should be more careful. Sorry.